What's the meaning of check card? Check card. Check card.
Check card. Check card. A check card is a plastic payment card that can be used to withdraw cash or make purchases. It is linked directly to the holder's bank account and transactions are authorized by signing a slip or entering a personal identification number, PIN. Unlike credit cards, check cards do not provide a line of credit and only allow access to funds that are available in the linked account. This means that payments can only be made if there are sufficient funds in the account at the time of the transaction.